My name is Peter Griesinger. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this because I don't know how to work this camera very well. I live in Gates Mills, Ohio. I'm a member of the board of the Ohio Environmental Council, and I have been a member for some 15 years. And I've believed strongly and have always advocated for solar power. Finally, in 2017, my wife Joanne and I were able to install this beautiful 24 panel, 8 kilowatt system. Dovetail Solar and Wind did the job. It cost us about, the list price was $37,000, and after the federal tax credit, it came down to about $26,000. So that's about as much money as we would spend in a 30-year lifetime of the system. But it's not about the money, honestly. It's about knowing that we're powering our house with, and our house is a 1950s ranch style stick and glass house. Beautiful Robert A. Little 3,800 square foot single story place. And you know, to power that house with this system for 5-6 months out of the year and get our minimal net metering credits that are allowed in Ohio is a really wonderful feeling, that we're not always plugged into First Energy's Perry nuclear power plant and all the other coal plants. We're instead living under the sun and powering by it. And we are also owners of a Ford C-Max plug-in electric hybrid car. So that's one of the greatest pleasures, is to be able to drive running with the sun, basically. So this would be a grid tied system. So when the grid goes out, we go out. But this year we installed with yellow light a $14,000 little surprise, and we're going to follow the trench into the basement. Here's the shut-off panel for our brand new wonderful. Here's the line coming in from the solar panels over the lawn, and we are now the proud owners of a beautiful Tesla Powerwall. And that has just been wonderful to have that kind of backup. So we're no longer just solely grid tied. But what's unique about our system is we did not wire this thing to power the whole house. It's a 3,800 square foot house, as I said. It's not that big, but instead just simply to power the Navian on-demand boiler, which heats both the domestic hot water as well as the necessary heat, the fin tube heat. So we have these 5 zones that are are plugged into the Tesla Powerwall. So those circulating pumps, the Navian boiler, and an upstairs kitchen refrigerator are the sole objectives of the power, the Tesla battery, when in fact, if and when the power goes out. We have not experienced anything yet. We know it works. It has great tech, it has great connectivity. Your iPhone can respond and watch its performance all the time. It's so cool. It's really great. Anyhow, so there you go. Between the Suniva solar panels, the 24 Suniva solar panels on the array outside, all the way to the Tesla, we are happy campers. And I just am so happy that Tom and Valerie have put together this tour. And I wish you all very well. Live by the sun, drive by the sun, work by the sun, and fight climate change. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Valerie. Good luck, and everybody do what you can to do all the above. Be well, and God bless you. Bye.